step right up
Black beans with chicken, please.
to see how they stuff one big burrito.
What's stuffed into a burrito? Everything but the kitchen sink.
At Chipotle, they fix and foil up 128 million burritos every year.
We start with cilantro lime rice, which is the core of all of the burritos. And then it gets either the vegetarian black beans or the pinto beans. Then you have a choice of one of our tremendous meats, salsa, sour cream, cheese, guacamole goes in there. We do everything the way we're supposed to, and you order it the way you're supposed to. It's about 1.5 pounds. So it's really stuffed.
You heard him. That typical Chipotle burrito weighs 1.5 pounds. And the ingredients inside each burrito are not taken lightly.
We have a grilled marinated chicken, grilled marinated steak. We have a naturally raised shredded pork, which is our carnitas. Spicy naturally raised shredded beef, which is the barbacoa.
Many of Chipotle's ingredients are homegrown, close by.
Here in Colorado, we have a farm about 40 miles away, and they supply us with our jalapenos and our onions.
Check out these jalapenos. They inspect and grade each one for quality and size right at the farm. Same for onions.
And when they dry up and are solid, these machines go in and literally lift them out of the ground. The onions are dumped out of a bulk box, and they go through a series of machines.
They clip the tops and roots off. Then they divide them up according to size. About 40 miles away, the fresh onions and jalapenos are ready for the next batch of Chipotle's famous guacamole.
We do guacamole 2 times a day, sometimes 3.
First, they mash close to 50 avocados. Then, they give it a kick with salt and citrus juice.
And now I'm putting in cilantro. Then we're gonna put our onions in.
Next, the jalapenos turn up the heat.
And we're gonna give it a little bit of a mix here.
They give the mixture one more mash. Perfect for topping hot tortilla chips or stuffing into a savory burrito.
There's over 60,000 possibilities, and the customers totally can design and build their own burritos.
Any way you like it.
We had one guy that wanted us to put the chips in his burrito. Okay, that's a combination. We thought it was a little bit weird, but that's his burrito, so we put the chips in his burrito for him.
This neighborhood burrito place really knows how to wrap it all up.
That is how you stuff a Chipotle burrito.